Hi everyone. Celeste has an amazing idea for 71 minus 16 and I'm super excited for her to share it with us. So tell us, what are you going to do this question?
So I would do 70 minus 15.
So you don't like this question and you're going to change it. So let's see if we can figure out how to show people visually what's going on. So usually we go 71 minus 16 and we have like sort of a takeaway, like no person, like no man's land here, and we put 16 in here. And you're like, look, I don't like these numbers and these numbers are way easier to work with.
Yeah.
So you're just going to go ahead and look, you are now only going to have to take away 15 because there's already one here. And you're only left with 70. So it's the same question, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's figure out 70 minus 15 then. So what do you want to do first?
So I would do 70 minus 10.
Okay, so I'll move the 10 down there, and you get 60, right? 50 and then 60.
Minus 5.
Oh, and I can't take away 5 the way it is, so I've got to actually exchange this dime for 10 pennies. So here is 5 pennies, and then I've got 4 pennies and 1 more. Okay, and now you're gonna take away 5 more, right? So I'll move these down here. All right, what are you left with?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So 55.
55. So let's just recap for everyone. So you went 70 minus 10 gives you 60, and then 60 minus 5 gives you 55. So the original question, 71 minus 16, equals 55. That was so nice.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today we're doing 71 minus 16, and Anna's going to tell us how she did this. Anna, can we use a number line today?
Okay.
All right, so we'll start off at 71. Now, what are you going to do?
I want to put the 16 into 10 and 6.
Okay.
So now I'm going to minus 10.
So you're going to go 71 minus 10.
Equals 61.
Okay.
Now I'm going to split the 6 into 5 and 1.
5 and 1 or 1 and 5?
1 and 5.
Okay, so you went 71 minus 10 to get to 61. Then what are you going to do?
Now I'm going to minus 1.
Okay. To get to 60.
And now I'm going to minus 5.
All right.
To give me the answer of 55.
That was awesome. So 71 minus 10 gives you 61. Minus 1 gives you 60. And then minus 5 gives you 55.
Yeah.
Alrighty. That was awesome, Anna.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.